Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best acrylic buffers is probably one of the most essential tools for any nail technician or DIY enthusiast looking to achieve a flawless, high-gloss finish on acrylic nails, ensuring that every application is as smooth and professional as possible, making them indispensable for creating salon-quality results right at home or in your salon. Number 5. Maryton Nail Buffer Sanding Block Polisher. Achieve salon-quality nails with these professional sanding blocks. They are perfect for shaping and preparing your acrylic nails for any art design. Featuring a 60-100 grit combination, these buffers offer versatile power. Use the coarser side for shaping and the finer side for smoothing. Specifically designed for acrylic nail art, these tools ensure a flawless finish. They are a must-have for any manicure kit. This set includes 10 individual buffers, providing you with plenty for personal use or for your salon. They come in a stylish black and purple design. Make your manicure routine easier and more effective. These buffers are essential tools for achieving beautiful, well-maintained nails. Crafted for durability, these blocks effectively buff and polish your nails. Experience a smooth and refined finish every time. What we like. This option offers a coarse grit perfect for shaping acrylics. If you frequently work with acrylics and need a reliable tool for initial shaping and refinement, this is a great choice. Its bulk pack ensures you're always stocked up for your nail art needs. What people say. The buffers are designed to be used with acrylic materials, making them suitable for various applications. These buffers are effective in smoothing and polishing acrylic surfaces, achieving a professional finish. The product features a durable construction, ensuring longevity and consistent performance during use. Number 4. Makartt Professional Nail Files. Introducing Makartt's Professional Nail Files. Achieve salon-quality results with these essential tools. Featuring a versatile 100-180 grit, these boards are perfect for shaping and refining your nails. They offer the ideal balance of coarseness and smoothness. The double-sided zebra design ensures efficient filing from every angle. This makes them incredibly effective for all your manicure needs. Designed for durability, these files are ideal for working with acrylic and extension gel. They provide smooth and controlled removal. Whether you're a professional in a salon or doing your nails at home, these 10 pieces offer great value. Enjoy a perfect manicure every time. What we like. Featuring a dual-sided grit, this tool is excellent for both acrylic and extension gel removal. If you're looking for a professional-grade file that can handle tougher materials and provide a smooth finish, this is ideal. It's suitable for both salon professionals and home users who want salon-quality results. What people say. This buffer is very effective at smoothing out rough edges on acrylic. The design of the buffer allows for easy grip and control, making it simple to achieve a polished finish. It works well on various types of acrylic, leaving a clear and scratch-free surface. Number 3. Onsen Secret Professional Nail Buffer Block. Tired of dull nails? Discover the secret to a natural, healthy shine with our professional nail buffer. It's designed to bring out the best in your natural nails. Our unique 4-way system gently buffs and smooths your nails. Achieve salon-quality results right at home, enhancing your nails' natural beauty with every use. Promote the health of your natural nails with this easy-to-use tool. It helps restore and maintain their vitality, ensuring they look and feel great. Recovering from gel or acrylic treatments? This buffer is your perfect solution. It gently helps restore your nails to their natural, healthy state. Get even more value with included extra shine pads. Keep your nails looking their absolute best with this convenient addition to your nail care routine. Experience the luxury of a professional manicure without leaving your house. Achieve that perfect, healthy shine with tools designed for salon-quality performance. What we like. This professional buffer block provides a 4-way system for achieving a natural shine. If your natural nails need some TLC, especially after gel or acrylic treatments, this is the perfect solution. It's designed to promote healthy natural nails and add a beautiful sheen without harsh chemicals. What people say. Great for smoothing out imperfections and creating a flawless finish on acrylic surfaces. The buffers are designed with a fine grit that effectively polishes acrylic without scratching. They are easy to handle and provide excellent control for detailed work on acrylic nails. Number 2. MORGLES Nail Files and Buffers Kit. Achieve salon-quality nails at home with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need for natural and acrylic nail care. Shape and refine your nails with precision using the 100-180 grit files. They are perfect for both natural and artificial nail surfaces. Get a flawless finish with the rectangular buffer blocks. They gently smooth ridges and prepare your nails for polish. Keep your nails clean and healthy with the included brushes. They effectively remove dust and debris after filing and buffing. This 14-piece set provides a complete solution for your manicure needs. Enjoy beautiful, well-groomed nails with ease. Crafted for durability, these tools ensure effective nail shaping and smoothing. They are designed to last and deliver consistent results. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes both files and buffer blocks for all your nail care needs. If you're starting out or want a convenient all-in-one solution for both natural and acrylic nails, this set is perfect. It offers great versatility for various nail care routines. What people say. The buffers are great for smoothing out the acrylic surface. They effectively remove scratches and leave a polished finish. The different grits allow for a gradual refinement of the acrylic. Number 1. Four-sided nail buffer blocks, white. Achieve perfectly shaped nails with our four-sided buffer blocks. They are designed for both natural and acrylic nails, providing a smooth finish every time. The medium grit on these white blocks is ideal for gentle shaping and smoothing. You'll love how easily they refine your nail's surface. With 4 distinct sides, these blocks offer complete versatility for all your nail care needs. Each side serves a specific purpose for a professional result. Whether you have natural nails or acrylics, these buffers are your go-to tool. They provide a consistent and effective buffing experience. Get a great value with this convenient 12-pack of nail buffer blocks. Keep one in your home, car, or travel bag for touch-ups anytime. Experience salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. These white, medium grit buffers make nail perfection simple and accessible. What we like. With its 4-sided design and medium grit, this buffer block is great for general shaping and smoothing of both natural and acrylic nails. If you prefer a versatile buffer that can handle everyday nail maintenance and you appreciate having plenty on hand, this 12-pack is an excellent value. What people say. The buffers are very effective at smoothing out rough edges on acrylic. They come in a variety of grits, allowing for precise control over the finish. The design of the buffers make them easy to grip and maneuver, even on small pieces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.